Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin did come down a little lower after my last video. That's all in line currently with expectations. Bitcoin has shown a fantastic reaction late yesterday to our resistance area. That is currently going fully according to the script. We had a nice resistance area here. Price reacted to it, maxed it out pretty much. Then we had a nice reaction here to our resistance area, came down. And now, I would argue that possibly this wave 5 could now be finished. Wave 5 of 3. That's still the primary scenario, that this is not yet all of wave 1. Okay, so these 5 waves that started on the 19th of September, they should eventually complete circle wave 1 here. We would then see circle wave 2 of a larger 5-wave move to the downside, indicated here on the chart, which again would form part of an even larger third wave breakdown, then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. This is sort of let's say the bearish, short-term bearish perspective. And yes, there are other interpretations. Obviously, we need to take it level by level because we are still holding overall above key support. I mean, really the relevant level, the main level that we are watching here is this 25,350 level. Honestly, until we break below that, get a sustained break below that, I don't think we see that flush that we really need to complete this overall correction that we've looked at yesterday on the daily chart in the last video. So anyway, we're following the plan. The resistance levels have been respected this way up, this one up here as well. We had one here, which was respected. So really nice potential short opportunities. And I remain focused on the downside and the continuation of the downside trend until the price starts to break those resistance levels. And again, we have to take it level by level. This here is still price action that could surprise. It absolutely still has, 1 second, just need to move that. Okay, it absolutely still has the potential to surprise. As I said yesterday, this could turn into a large triangle, yeah, A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, and then break down. So it could give us a surprise move up, even though it wouldn't be a surprise because now we're getting into territory where we can expect another larger relief rally. We are going to take a look at that. Or it could even still turn into the white wave count, which is, however, losing in probability with every drop that we make. And that's exactly what we want because I didn't trust the white wave count for good reason. So still have it on the chart. I would only really see it as highly likely if the price can break above the key level of 27,480. But for now, there's no need to even focus on it because the price is respecting all of our resistance levels and is coming down further. Now, if we assume that possibly this wave 5 of 3 is finished, I would be watching this resistance area here between 26,280 and 26,360. That's the 50% retracement level of this move that started yesterday to, well, today's low basically. And you can see, funny enough, this 50% retracement level is here also the previous breakdown level, okay? The head and shoulders neckline. So it might very well be, find it very likely, at least a likely option, that the price is retesting it from below and then starts to continue this move down. This is my favorite option, my preferred option, that we're coming down lower against the key level of 26,360. Not saying we have to get there, but I'm saying against that level we focus on lower. If that level breaks, then it just needs a reinterpretation of the microstructure. I made you aware yesterday and the days before that it could be that with this low, already all 5 waves down are complete. There's a way of counting this where I can justify that all 5 waves down are complete. Okay, so that would mean circle wave 1 is already complete and we would be watching for a deeper pullback in wave 2 into the larger or higher resistance area between 26,750 and 27,180. So this is basically at the moment only the alternative. I prefer still one more nano low or micro low only if the price finds or can generate a rally above resistance. I would be watching this resistance area here for circle wave 2. Yeah, so I'm a bit unsure about that, but it doesn't change the short-term approach. Good to know what would be the relevant level to watch if the resistance breaks. Okay, this is likely going to be quite strong resistance, I would argue, but it still needs to confirm it as resistance. It has been resistance here before several times. That was here in September, early September, here again, middle of September, then support, support, support. And yeah, let's see if we can retest it from below again. Overall, this is still all range movement, right? But it's currently following through, and we just have to adjust if certain levels start to break. But for now, all these levels are holding. And the next support would be 25,770, and it would be good for the price to get there next in possibly circle wave, in wave 5 of circle wave 1. So I would be watching this level next, and below that level, 25,350. Okay, that would be quite a long wave 5 though, but it would probably look better looking at the proportions if we get that wave 4 done, which might turn into a triangle actually, and then come down, test that level, rally higher in circle wave 2, and then in the final third of a third wave breakdown, which would be quite aggressive, I think, we should see this sell-off. So I think looking at what we see now, I think this week we have a good chance for a sell-off. Now, it's not confirmed yet, but let's imagine that happens throughout the week and we get that third wave breakdown on the, sort of late in the week. Bear in mind, we have Thursday GDP data, US, and Jerome Powell is speaking. And then Friday is PCE, inflation. And then maybe we head up for another wave 4 weekend here before we get the final flush down, maybe in the coming weeks or so. It will be interesting. September is not over yet. So, anybody who likes to look at seasonalities, this is all still in play. All the relevant levels should be really clear. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And you can find the links in the description. And as a channel member, if you're interested, you get access to a weekly live stream. We did one yesterday on breakout trading and pullback trading. There's a topic every Sunday we cover, plus coin requests. So check it out if you're interested. And also you get access to Discord and Telegram, our chat rooms, a lot of educational content. Plus, as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.